Sam again with another video review. Today, once again, we are going to make a little video review on a Nitecore product. Here we have the P30. This is a beast of a flashlight. It can light up to 618 meters distance. So over here we have some info about this. We have 1000 lumens. It has a max runtime up to 618 hours. We have an impact resistance up to 1.5 meters and waterproof up to 2 meters. Over here you can see some accessories you can optionally get. So this is a flashlight for hunting, and let's open it and see what comes with. So first we have the P30. Next we have a little pouch over here, belt pouch with a velcro. Next we have a little plastic bag with some more accessories. So over here we have a little plastic D-ring for comes the cap, also with this little metal strap for your belt or your mole. We have two O-rings, one for the front, one on the back. The one is thicker than the other. Also we have a little plastic press switch replacing the other one, a little lanyard, a Nitecore logo, and a little battery. This is CR123A if you want to put two batteries over here to hold it together. So next we have the user manual, as always by Nitecore in English. Some more info about the output and the runtime over here. Here you can see how you can operate this flashlight. The guarantee card, and let's leave this aside. Here we have the actual product. This is the Nitecore P30. This really huge light. Here we have a 3200 milliamps battery, 3.7 volts, 11.8 watts. Really nice. On the back we have a little spring on the cap. Over here inside we just have no spring on the inside. Let's unscrew over this one once again. Over here you can see we have the little O-ring on the front. So here we have the two replacements, the thin on the front, the thick on the back. Show you once again. Here you can see the back of the LED, no spring on the inside. They could have put a little spring over there to make it a little shock proof. So let's operate and see how it works. So let's see the actual modes. The first mode, it's this one, and we have 1 lumen, 618 hours over here. Second is low, we have 17 lumens. Middle, 220 lumens. High, 400 lumens, and the turbo mode we have 1000 lumens over here. Long press, we have a strobe, we have 1000 lumens with the strobe. Next SOS, long press again. Long press again, we have the last mode, which is the beacon. So in this one we have a battery indicator over here on the press mode switch. So how the battery indicator works, just press, long press the mode switch and press it to open. So now in our case we'll start 3 times, so we have 3.7 volts and 7 times. So the first power zone, let me show you again. Long press, press the switch, 1, 2, 3, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So we have a 3.6 battery voltage over here. If we have, for instance, 4.2, let me show you, we would have a 4 times switch over here, 4 times, a short pause, and 1, 2 blinks again. So this is how you count the battery voltage for this flashlight. So let's see the dimensions for this flashlight. So over here, the longest part is 14.1 centimeters, 23.4 on the handle, and on the beam over here 15 millimeters. And let's check how much it weighs. So it weighs 218 grams. So yeah. So that was a really interesting flashlight, the P30. So thanks again for watching. I hope I helped you a little bit with this video review on the Nitecore P30. Also, don't forget to subscribe in my channel if you want to continue showing you and seeing new products from me. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.